Okay, so we are going to look at 6.2 over here, the graph of sine, cosine, and tangent functions. For the learning standard over here, draw graph of trigonometric function y equals to sine x, y equals to cos x, and y equals to tan x. For x is going to be less than and equals to 360 and more than and equals to 0 degree. This one given already. This is our characteristic of the sine graph. Straight to the page of 185. Okay, how did we have the graph over here? Please take out your calculator. Where's my calculator? Okay. If we find for the sine of 0, please, sine 0, what do you get? 0. That's why we got the graph here. If you look over here, this is the value for our x. This is for our x. Right, wait. What happened? Wait, yeah. Alamak. Okay. That's not, it's disconnected. Okay. First thing first, before we get the graph over here, we know that our angle we are going to have in our quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4 is going to be 0 to 90 is quadrant 1. Quadrant 2 is going to be 90 to 180, 180 to 270, 270 to 360. That's why we are going to get all the angle there. 0, 90, 180, 27, and also 360 there. Can? That's for the value of our x. Now, to get for the value of our y, by using your calculator, so we are going to substitute x here with the value of our angle. We start with 0. Y equals to sine 0 degree. So we are going to get y equals to 0. Am I right? Yes. So that's why we are going to plot at 0 here first. Later we are going to plot the graph. Okay. So next we are going to substitute with x with 90 degree. So by using your calculator, sine 90, did you get 1? Yes. You are going to get y equals to sine 90. We are going to get 1 over here. Okay. Means that for sine 180, 0. If you're using your calculator, sine 270, negative 1. And also for our sine 360, we're going to get 0 again. That's why if you look over there, the maximum value, where is our maximum value? Over here. This is the maximum value, is 1. When x equals to 90, and also the minimum value is going to be negative 1 over here when our x is 270 here. Can? Okay. You see over here, intercept at x-axis, which means at when our x there is 0, 180 and also 360, isn't it? Yes. It's intercept at our x-axis, whereas our y equals to 0. And we have over there intercept at y-axis only at y equals to 0 there. Can? Okay, this one you can look into your Nilam book. Okay. If you look in your Nilam book, page 131, the example given over there is our sine graph. Okay, example only, right? Okay, so if you look over there, we are going to plot we are going to plot to get our sine graph over here. So it's plot already because it's example, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so if you look there, 0, and then for 90 is 1, for 180 is 0 back, for 270 is -1, and 360 got our 0 back. So we are going to have the graph of sine there. Okay? Okay, now we are going to look our, is it you already learned in your maths here? This one? Not yet? Okay. Okay, maybe later. Okay, for your cosine graph. This is our cosine graph. Okay, so we have, by using your calculator also, when you have y equals to cos 0, we are going to get the value is 1. That's why you have over here 1, starting with our 1 there. Okay, means that we have the maximum value already, right?
Yes.
It's going to be 1. Okay, and then if you are pressing your calculator, y equals to cos 90, is it 0?
Yes.
By using your calculator, you are going to get 0 over here. When y equals to cos 180, we are going to get negative 1. And then we are going to have y equals to cos 270, you are going to get 0. And last but not least over here, we are going to get y equals to cos 360, we are going to get 1. So after I got all the plot there, I'm going to what? Draw my graph of cos x over here. And what we have over here, the maximum value, is it 1? The minimum value there? Yes. Also -1 there. Okay. For x-intercept, we have only 2. For 90 degree and also 270 degree. And y-intercept at where? At y equals to 1. Okay? Okay, now we are going to proceed to our Nilam book. Okay, 6.2. Okay, heavy rain, risky. Okay, fill in below table of value, hence draw the following graph function in the provided graph. Okay, so what we are going to do here, we are going to find the value in our table by using your calculator. Use your calculator to find the value here. Okay. 0 degree. So by using your cos 0, what do you get? 1. Okay, we are going to get 1 over here. Cos 30 degree. 0.87. Cos 60. Cos 90. Cos 120. 150, negative 0.87, isn't it? And then 180, negative 1. 210, 0.87, negative 0.5. This one I'm going to get 0 back, isn't it? You are going to get the same value back over here. Betul. This one 0.5, 0.87, and also going back to 1. Isn't it? But in our textbook, okay, we are going to have for this 0, 90, 180, and 27, and 360 only. Okay? But for this one, we are going to plot. Okay, so we are going to plot here by using the value in our table here. We are going to start with 1. 0.87 when our 30 degree 0.5 here, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is 0.8. So means that I'm gonna get in the middle here lah. About the middle. 0.87. 60 degree 0.5. Here. 90 degree 0. Okay. Can? Okay. Next, we are going to have our 120 with negative 0.5. Huh? Okay. Negative 0.5 is going to be here. Okay, so we are going to get here. Next, negative 0.87. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is negative 0.8. So it's going to be down here. 180, we are going to get negative 1. And then you are going to get back negative 0.87. And then negative 0.5. Then you are going to get 0 back. After that, 300, 0.5, 330, 0.87, 360, we are going to get 1. Okay. So, what we are going to do next? But without ruler. Do not use ruler. Okay, we are going to have our graph of there. Graph ready. Can? Okay. Now back to our textbook. We are going to look at the third graph is going to be tangent. This one is special one. If you look at the tangent over here, if you're using your calculator, tangent 0, you are going to get 0. Try to do tangent 90. Math error, isn't it? That one is going to be undefined. Undefined. Is that? It's going to be infinity. Okay, it's going to be infinity. No value. We don't have any value in that one. So that's why, if you look at the graph here, there are no intercept at 90 degree over here. And then if you use your calculator, for 180, you are going to get 0. Okay? Okay? 270, negative infinity. That's why you are going to get over here. Nothing there. 360, we are going to get 0. Isn't it? Okay? So over here, you know, maximum value, infinity. Minimum value, negative infinity. Undefined. Undefined over here. Okay? We are going to have only intercept and x-axis at 100 and 0, 180 and 360. For y-axis only at 0. Okay? If you look over here, tangent of 90 degree is going to be same with 170, which is undefined. Can? Okay, now we are going to look back in our Nilam book. Open to your Nilam book, page 132. We are going to do our tangent graph over here. Okay, by using your calculator, 0, 0, right? We are going to start with 0, isn't it? Tangent 30, what do you get? 0.58. 60 degree? 1.73. 90 degree? Undefined. You are going to put infinity sign there. 120, you are going to start from negative. Yes, we are going to get negative 1.73 over here. Negative 0.58. 180, you are going to get 0 back. And we are going to go back to 0.58. 1.73. 270 is going to be infinity back. And this one, we are going to start from negative, yes. Negative 1.73, negative 0.58, and lastly, you are going to get 0. Okay, now, what we are going to do here, we are going to plot by using the value in our table here. We are going to start with 0. 30 degree, 0.58. Okay, so this is 0.5 over here. Oh, sorry. 0.5 up here. 0.5 means that 58 you are going to get in the middle. I just put in the middle there. 58. 1.73 at 60 degree. 1.5 is going to be here. 1.5 means that 1.73. So also in the middle there. 90 degree, no need to plot. 90 degree, no need to plot because it's going to be undefined. So we don't have any intercept for our 90 degree. So later we are going to have our infinity. Okay, 120, we are going to begin with negative 1.73 down here. Negative 1.567. So you are going to get here 150, we are going to get negative 0.5, isn't it? 0.58. And after that, 180, we are going to get 0 back. 210, you are going to get 0.58 back. 240, we are going to have 1.73 here. And 270, once again, we are going to have undefined. Okay, 270 undefined means that is going to be infinity. Then we are going to start back from below of the graph over here, which is 300 degree. We are going to get negative 1.7 and then negative 0.58 at 330 degree here, and you are going to get 360 there. Okay, so we are going to have 1. Okay, this one also from below go up here, down here to here. That's all. Okay, something like in your textbook, okay? Sort of, isn't it? Okay? Can girls? But in our exam, it's not this one. It's going to be the next one, which is, okay, before that, we are going to look at the characteristic first. This one, number 2. Okay. From the graph we drawn just now, state the following information. Okay, we go for the first graph, which is y equal to sine x. Okay. How did we want to have? You are going to refer to our graph in the textbook, should we? There. Maximum value, minimum value, you got already, right? Okay, wait. I'm going to put it in our Nilam book. You got already in your textbook. This one I'm going to show to you how we are going to look from our graph here to fill in our Nilam book here. Okay. So when it say over here the maximum value, minimum value, x-intercept, y-intercept, amplitude. This is not one color. Yeah, maximum 1, minimum -1. X-intercept is going to be 0 degree, 180 degree, and 360 degree. Our y-intercept is going to be 0 there, 0 degree only. Okay, now, what is amplitude? Okay. Look into your textbook. Page 187. There. What is amplitude? This one is going to be how we got one circle here. How? So you are going to get one amplitude. So how did we want to find by using the formula? It's given over here, maximum value minus with minimum value divided by 2. Okay, now look back into our Nilam book. Okay. You got your maximum value? 1. Minus minimum value? -1. Then we are going to divide by 2. What will you get? That's your amplitude. Can? So it depends on our what? The amplitude is going to depend on what? The maximum and the minimum value. Okay? If our maximum and minimum value is going to be changed over here, so our amplitude also going to okay. What is going to be our period over here? You are going to look into our Nilam book. Okay, this one. Period is the interval of one complete cycle. One complete cycle. So means what? Means this one. For our graph of sine, to get one complete cycle, you are going to have 360 going to be one complete cycle. Okay? So if you are saying that 180 cannot, why? Because it's not completed, it's halfway. So to complete it, you are going to get 360 degrees. So the answer there for one period of our sine tangent is going to be 360 degrees. Okay. So the answer over here, you are going to get 360 degree. Okay. That's for our sine. Okay, now we are going to move to our cosine. Cosine, cos. Where's cos, got okay, over here. Okay, for our cos graph, which one is our maximum value? Minimum value? Same. Okay, you are going to get 1, -1, same. Okay. Is it going to be the same with our x-intercept? No, the x-intercept only what? Have 2 there. You are going to have 90 degree and also 270. Okay, that's going to be our x-intercept, 90 degree and also 270. Okay, where is going to be our y-intercept there? 1 only. Okay, they are going to be have over here. This is not 0 degree, 0 only, 1. Okay, amplitude? 1. Same, you are going to get 1. Maximum, same with our sine. Minimum also same with our sine there by using our formula. Maximum minus with minimum divided by 2. Okay, how about the period? Still 360. If you look over here, to get one cycle, okay, if you are saying that 180 of it, it's only half of it. So to get one cycle, you are going to have 360 degree. Okay, next, done for our cosine. Okay, for our tangent graph, right? Did we have the maximum value? God, which is our 5M set 8 tidur. Infinity. 8 tidur. It's going to be infinity. Positive infinity. Minimum negative infinity. Is there any x-intercept? Where? Yes, we are going to get 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 and also 360. It's going to be the same with our sine, yes. 0 degree, 180 and also 360 degree. Okay, how about our y-intercept? This y-intercept, right? So it's going to be 0 there. Okay, how about the amplitude? Infinity. Undefined. No amplitude. We cannot have amplitude. Why? Because we didn't have our maximum. How do you want to calculate? Math error minus with math error. Okay? No amplitude. You are not going to say infinity. If you say infinity, that means that you can calculate. So this one cannot calculate. Undefined? No. No amplitude. No amplitude. Not. Okay. How about our period? This one. Is it 360? If you look at the graph, this one until here, one cycle, isn't it? Now, it's going to be repeated from here. So is that 2 periods? 180 lah. For the whole 360, you are going to have 2 sets there. So 360 divided by 2, so means that 180 is going to be for 1 period. This one until here. Yeah, I know. Maths is going to be 2 periods. Maths today 2 periods, I know. Okay, this one until here, 1 set. This one until here, 2 sets. For 360, we are going to have 2 sets. Means that for 1 period, you are going to get 180. Can go? So means that how do I calculate? You are going to calculate over here 360. You are going to have 2 sets. So means that you are going to get 180 there. For 1 period. Can? If you are saying just now, for our cos and tangent cannot. Why? For cos and tangent, we are going to have, if you look over here, this one only 1. Hey, half. Sorry. Half. This one, another half. So, to get 1 period over here for the graph of sine, we are going to get 360 divided by 1. So, you're going to get 360 for the period. Dia ada 2 set. Dia tak boleh kata 2 set. No. This one only half. Another half. If we have, okay. Kalau you have the graph over here. Macam mana? Okay. How many periods we have over here? 4. 4. We have 2 periods. We have 2 periods. Okay, how do I get like this? Later we are going to get. Later we are going to get this one. How? By changing our B value. What is B? Y equals to A sine Bx plus C. Later, wait. Later. After this. Okay? So over here, if you look, this is going to be 1 cycle. This one going to be 2 cycles. So means that this one you are going to get 360 divided by 2. So means that to get 1 period of our cycle there is going to be 180. Can you understand? Hey. So, finish for number 2 here. I stop first for the recording.